Today is Saturday. I can't wait to play soccer at the park. This is gonna be the best day ever.
Good morning, Leo. Breakfast is ready.
Thanks, Mom. I want to finish quickly so we can go to the park.
I'm finished. Can we go now?
Almost. Don't forget your fruit.
Good players always eat healthy. I'm ready too.
Everyone ready?
Let's go.
It's going to be a wonderful day. Wow, there are so many people here. It looks like everyone is enjoying the beautiful day.
They're really good. I wish I could play with them. Hi, can I play with you?
Of course. Come join us. Noah.
Nice pass, Leo. Thanks. This is so much fun.
Emma! Great job, Leo.
Keep going, son.
You can do it!
Everyone is watching me. I'll show them my best soccer trick. Oh, I missed it. Leo, pass the ball. I'm open. Just one more move. Watch this. It's okay, Leo. Just keep playing. Thanks. I'll try again.
I can do this? Almost.
You can just pass the ball.
Okay. I'll remember.
Maybe Noah's right. Soccer is about helping the whole team, not only showing what I can do.
Here you go, Noah.
Perfect pass.
Wonderful teamwork, Leo.
That's the spirit.
Go, Leo!
Go! We did it together!
We did it together!
This game is getting exciting. We have to keep working together. Oh no! The ball is getting away!
Hey! Come back with our ball! Buddy, stop!
I'm so sorry. It's okay. That was funny.
Noah, let's finish the game!
Let's do our best!
Leo, this is our chance. Let's win together!
We're with you!
Last goal wins. Let's stay together.
Leo, stay calm. Look for the best pass.
Here, Noah.
Nice pass!
Come on, go in!
We did it!
Great teamwork, Leo! We won because we worked together!
You played wonderfully today.
I learned something important.
And we're proud of you. Ethan, great players help their teammates.
I understand now, Dad.
Helping my team made me happier than showing off. Buddy looked so proud carrying the ball.
I thought he wanted to join your soccer team.
Someone is crying. That little boy looks frightened and alone.
Mommy, where are you? Dad, may I go to the playground now?
Of course. Stay close, and I'll come with you.
Hi, my name is Leo. Are you okay?
I can't find my mom. I'm scared.
Mom, Dad, please come here. Ben cannot find his mother.
You did the right thing, Leo. We'll help him safely.